guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna apologize in advance. I'm just getting over the flu. I sound like a frog. So, for today's look, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't really know yet. I'm just gonna see where it takes me. First thing I'm gonna do is prime my face with a professional pore primer by Benefit, and I'm just gonna put that on the problem areas like last time, which is my nose and like my cheeks. Once I am done with the primer, I'm gonna be going in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Granite. Now that I am done with the brows, I'm going to go ahead and use the NARS concealer in the shade, not this one. I'm going to go in with the NARS concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I'm going to go ahead and take it right under my eyebrows just to clean them up a little bit. So after I have my eyebrows done and I have concealed them, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. It looks like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over the lid. So once the eye primer is done, I'm going to go in with actually some tape. The first color I'm going to be using is Silk Cream, which is this one right here. The next color I'm going to be going in with is this one right here. It's called Buns. And I'm just going to be applying it a little lower than I did with this color, all over the lid. I'm going to be going in with Jack's, this color right here. Next, I'm going to be going in with literally the smallest amount of Abyss, the black color in this palette, but like a tiny amount. After I have all the colors on and blended out, I'm going to be taking my foundation and just cutting the crease. Once I have the crease cut, I'm going to take this brush and just blend that rough edge out. Once I have that blended out right there, I'm just going to be going in with any like light color and setting that down. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other eye. Both of the creases cut and they're set, I'm going to be going back in with this color right here. It is called Crayon Apple, this one right here, and I'm just going to be putting that right here to blend those two colors back together. going in with my Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, but I'm not really going to do a wing. I'm going to end it right about here. Back in with that black color and just pat some in right here so the eyeliner blends a little better. Once the eyeshadow is done, you can go ahead and take the tape off. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lashes off camera just to get that done and over with, and I will be right back. So for my next step, I'm going to be going with my L'Oreal 24-Hour Foundation, and I'm going to be applying that with a brush, and then I'll blend it out with the Beauty Blender. So after my foundation is blended out, I'm going to be using the NARS concealer in the shade Vanilla. Concealer blended out, I'm going to be going with the RMCA translucent setting powder and just applying that right under the eyes to set it right there. So once I have my face set, I'm going to be going in with this Mary Kay powder stuff as my contour. I don't even know where I got it. I showed you guys in the last video, but like, it's old. I don't even know if it's meant for contour, but it works for me, so I'm gonna use it. Once I have my contour done, I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit. Looks like this. Alright, and that's going to complete this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. But otherwise, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.